How's it going? So I made 1,000 today on my Express. So I'm up to 6,038 now. Topstep also gave me another Express account because they ballsed up when I made 500, and then anyway, I think they did it to everyone. But anyway, they just give me another Express account, which I made another 500 on. It's an easy day really compared to normal anyway. I made it the first sell off here was when I made money, and then I lost it. So I was up 800, lost 800, no, lost 1,000. So I was down, and then I entered long, got cut out, and then I went short finally, got this move, and I made the 1,000 in that account, and that's drop. And then missed this move up, and then got in again. This move was made the extra 500. That was done by 4 o'clock. That's right. I came out. I could have actually gone long off these levels. So these levels would have been lovely today if I traded them. I came out. Always in hindsight, you've come out too early. I could have made a lot more today. But I got chopped, and I would have probably got chopped several times today if I continued going short. It's a pretty good trend line sell-off day, but it's up, down, but down overall. So hard to trade because you get chopped if you continue the trend too far. Like here, I went short, came out okay, and re-entered. This one I re-entered. So I re-entered up here. So I thought we're going short. So I re-entered here. This bar came out. I was like, all right. And then we got this little hammer bar. So I entered short again. Got done. And that was that. That was 1,000. So it wasn't going too well at this stage. But then got the rollover and momentum. Just price action, really. This was showing me there's bearish momentum. And then went with it, went rejected off VWAP and went down. But yeah, I could have made more in hindsight, but this is why these oscillators I was saying about the other day, the oscillator, you just can't rely on it on its own because it pumped up and it looks like it's going bullish, but you're at VWAP, you're in downward trend, so you've got to take it. You can't just do the oscillator. It works better earlier on in the session. If we get continued moves, it gets worse as it goes on. And this hasn't been great price action. It's sort of grindy, down, doing nothing. But yeah, that's not very easy. So anyway, I got I could have got another good move out of it. But hey, so I'm one day from payout. I've got balance 6,000. The stats look pretty good. This is about right for me now. That's high and that's high. So I'm doing better than normal still. Even though I had a bad initial part of the day. Well, good, bad, and then good again. But I made 1,500 because this other Topstep account. So what I'm doing now with these two accounts is this is going to be my second half of the day account. So I'll take my first trades on this account, and then when I'm lock out, I'll go switch to the other one as a bonus. Now, if I can ever get to a stage where I can get 2 payouts, that'll be fantastic. But yeah, I'll see how we go anyway, because I'm not jumping the gun. This is becoming easier and easier to trade. I found today a lot less stressful because the balance helps you out so much with the stress. Because 6,000 with trading 5 micros, just $10 a point. So you've got 600 points of movement before you have to close. So even like today when it went wrong, I lost 1,000. A big loss. I'd already got 800 in the bank at that stage though. But if you say your maximum loss then effectively is going to be 1,000, that's normally the area I start closing out. Apart from if I lose my head one day, which happened several times. But that's the kind of area I start getting very uncomfortable at 1,000. But that's normally when I've gone in one contract. So I was in a contract short. And yeah, I was right eventually, but it doesn't matter. I can't accept that amount of drawdown, especially when things look like they're reversing. So anyway, this is good, right? So Friday was good. So I just need another day, and I'll take a payout now. I'm probably just going to go for 500 tomorrow. I'll see what I can get. I'd like to get 1,000, but if I can get 200 to 500, I'm delighted because I can get 3,000 payout. So I've decided I'm going to take 3. Have I? I don't know. I haven't decided. If I get 7, if I can make 1,000 tomorrow, I'll take 3.5. Because I have the obviously dollar to euro conversion fee as well, so I've got to pay that. And when will I over? I can't remember how much I've taken in payouts. I'm gonna have to look. I haven't got the old system. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna find out. Quickly, just added them in there. So first payout was 9.21 in July. That was great feeling actually. Get first payout, and then 2 weeks later, I got a 9.88. I thought I was on a roll here, and then blew that count. Bought several more, chopped around a lot, and then got 12.91.11, and then 6.85. The last one, that again very tough. I found that very tough period. So doing okay. So can have to go through my expenses for I can't get into the old platform. I don't know whether you can get onto the old platform because I need to get all my expenses all written down like I did on the expenses sheet. Did I? Yeah, on here. So I need to get all of them to cover the whole period and get the dates on there to get a full spreadsheet going. So anyway, we're positive and we're doing good. So if I can get this other payout, it'll put me in a lot better position because it'll be by far. So my biggest payout so far is the 12.91. So if we can exceed that, even 2,000 would be fantastic. So really, I just want to limit my risks and get that payout, and hopefully go from there.